Zero Education Society, redefining excellence.
This is the project of ETE, the project topic of LED air pollution meter using Arduino, the project guide of Devkate ma'am. The project aim of LED air pollution meter using Arduino. The group members of Sanika Jadhav, Neha Bhosle, Shreya Mhatre and Pooja Kadam. The introduction of topic. In this project we are going to construct an air pollution meter using MQ135 sensor and Arduino. The pollution level in the air indicated by series of 12 LED. In higher the number of LED glows, the higher the pollution content in the air and vice versa. The need of the project. The level of pollution increased rapidly due to factors like industry fabrication increase the pollution vehicle use which can affect human. IoT based air pollution monitoring system is used to monitor the air quality over WBE server using internet. The system uses MQ135 and MQ6 sensor monitoring air quality as it detects the most harmful gases and can measure their amount accuracy. Keywords: air pollution, MQ135 sensor, IoT, Arduino, First we will discuss the interfacing diagram of LCD. As you can see that I have seen this MQ135 air quality sensor. It has 4 pin right hand side, 4 VCC, and then we have ground. After that digital output, then last analog output. I am going to analog output use we will provide A0 pin of Arduino. You can vary the sensitivity of the MQ135 by varying this. So as you can see that this is the interfacing diagram of air quality monitoring system. Here connected to the MQ135 sensor to pin A0 to the Arduino. I have interfacing to the 6x2 LCD to Arduino know about. Then output. In the output I have connected in this buzzer to pin number 8. In the Arduino we have the just Arduino to the buzzer, and whenever the air quality is above sensor threshold level, is that case buzzer turn on. And similarly at pin number 9 I have connected this LED. Again to air quality is above threshold level, this LED in turn on and it will be blinking. And now let us start the interfacing. So as you can see that already interfacing this LCD the Arduino, and next I am going to this MQN sensor to the Arduino board. So as mentioned in the interfacing diagram, that output of the MQ135 sensor is going to be connected the A0 pin in Arduino. With just first pin, then this is supply, so which is the over here. This is the ground. I have the connected to the ground. Next, I am going connected this buzzer to pin number 8. As you can see here, buzzer have a two terminal, positive and negative. Then positive is longer. Are connected to the buzzer over here, and then the positive terminal is connected to the pin number 8 of Arduino, and ground of the connected to the ground. Next, I am connected to the LED, then current limiting resistor with LED and analog LED connected to the pin number 9 of the Arduino. So done the interfacing. Next, programming. Then start the latest start. So now in the programming part, first of all we need to define the liquid crystal header file. I have include the liquid crystal.h and connect it to the data pin D4 to D7 pin number 5 to 2, and then Arduino, and have the connected to enable 11 and RS pin LCD to the 12. So that is the when defined here. After that, in the hardware are used to 3 different types devices. So here of the buzzer I have buzz integer, and it is connected to the pin number 8. Similarly for LED we have LED integer, and it is connected to the pin number 9. As you connected the MQ135 sensor to the analog output connected to the A0 pin of the Arduino. I am going to consider the threshold has 250, and for that consider the variable as threshold. Now in void setup we need to define this, which is the input device, which one of the output device. So as you told, the buzzer is the output device, so we will write pin mode buzzer comma output, and similarly LED comma output device MQ135 input to the Arduino. So we will the AQ sensor comma input. Now display the result into this serial monitor screen. We will use to serial dot begin 9600 is baud rate. And similarly to the display value, the LCD we will our LCD dot begin 16,2, and this clear will clear the LCD display. Now we need to the logic in this void loop. So void loop, first of all define the integer variable, that is ppm. So here going to the read the data from our MQ135 sensor in store the ppm. Then we will display our quality and serial monitoring screen, and we will display the value of ppm, similarly the LCD case, and have first lay cursor to 0, 0. This the first column 0, first row 0, and then it will write air quality, and after that it will display the value of ppm, that is the just came from this analog read, and after that we will override the logic. As you can see here, 2 ppm is greater than threshold. We have decided as 250. So if measured the value is greater than 250 is that particular case, we will write LED. Set cursor 1, 1, that means it will start it from 2 row and 2 column, and we will write a level high, and then going to this use turn is generate the used for, in this case is blinking. The LED I will assign the variable LED here will be turned on the 1 second and turn on the 2000 microsecond. Then we will write the digital write buzzer comma high. It will turn on the buzzer. In this particular condition, buzzer will be turned on and LED is blinking. Otherwise measured is less and threshold is that case, write the digital write LED comma low and buzzer comma low, so both will be turned off. We will display the message AQ level is good, and we have provided the delay provide the delay of 0.5 second to take the measure. And next I am going to upload this code for Arduino board. So now I am going connected this USB to the laptop, then select the Arduino board, the compact for the Arduino board, the blinking on upload. So as you can see that when low become upload, so air quality 16 or 161 or 162 on AQ level, that is the air quality level is good. Now do the experiment. Let us try the vary the air quality. These are, so now I am going to create a fire sensor. Let us that what we will result right now. The level is vary, so vary the value, so write the now blinking LED. Thank you.
Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.